friends, in my last tutorial I have given some basic understanding of conditional formatting. But something which I thought that I must have to teach you in this lecture about conditional formatting only. So that is I am taking right now. So in which I forgot to tell you that if you want to manage your rules, that means once creating you forget that, or else you want that this blue color must be replaced with some pink color, then you have to go to this manage rule option, and wherever this is available, then you have to select this thing and you have to go to an edit rule, and by clicking this formatting tab you can just select whichever color you want, right? So I want this pink color, and this rule will be applied, and okay. So right now this you can edit this thing by replacing this thing. Now I want that in manage rule I want to delete the rule. That means I want to delete this pink rule. So you can delete by selecting this delete rule, apply, okay. So rule will be deleted, and if you will do Alt HHN, see there is no color is available in the close section. But right now what we required, that in manage rule, new rule, we want that cell value if specific tags containing closed, then it must be filled with, which was earlier blue. So this some sort of thing which I want to explain you, because sometimes it happens that unfortunately or mistakenly you might be add additional rule, but after that you want to delete this rule, you can edit this thing by going to manage rule section. So hope you understand this thing, and if you have any query regarding this conditional formatting by this lecture, you can question me in question answer section. See you soon in my next lecture.